every minute. All we know is that we're in it, but no one knows just what it's all about. Anything can happen. Call it any name you want to. Life's a racket we're not onto. Don't try to figure it out. Just take it all with a smile. The good things and the bad. Remembering all of the while that Lady Luck is fickle, but she can be had. Anything can happen. And with patches on your britches, you can go from rags to riches. Anything can happen to us all.